The question was asked, are your genes your destiny? What is a gene? A gene is considered to be a unit of heredity. So there are approximately 20,000 plus genes in our body, in the human body, that code for almost every protein that exists in our body. And so genes are basically the units of life that are transferred from one generation to another. And until recently, it was thought that genes are deterministic, that if you have a gene for cancer, then you're going to get cancer or heart disease or whatever. But now we know that only about 10% of genes have mutations that determine cancer, or that you are inheriting as mutations for cancer. And probably 5% mutations in the general population that are deterministic. The rest are all influenced by lifestyle. So you can upregulate your genes, which means you can turn on the genes that prevent chronic illnesses, including heart disease, many types of cancer, particularly now we know some types of breast cancer and prostate cancer. That's called upregulation. So turn on the genes that prevent chronic illnesses, from inflammation to cancer to heart disease. And then you can downregulate the genes. That means you can turn on the genes that are good for you, that decrease inflammation. And Dr. Dean Ornish and others have shown that about 500 genes that are crucial in heart disease, inflammation, certain types of cancer, can be influenced by simple things like good sleep, stress management, good nutrition, exercise, and healthy emotional relationships. Within 3 months, you can turn on the good genes and turn off the bad genes. Now that's amazing news. What's the mechanism? It's something called methylation that influences a chemical reaction. Methylation is a chemical process at the level of DNA. So this is a new science. It's called epigenetics. It means everything from your thinking to your feeling to your behavior to your social interactions, your personal relationships, your moods, your feelings. All this influences the activity of your genes and therefore your health. I'm right now in Albany filming a program with Dr. Rudy Tanzi on the superbrain, and in future posts we'll be talking a lot about genes and the brain as well. But for now, your genes are not your destiny. You are in charge of your destiny.